Last time on Classic Car Education, we looked at car examples that fit a rating scale of 1 to 5, which any strong restoration shop will be aware of. If you missed that video, you should go back and check it out by clicking the link on your screen. But today, we finish our discussion in part 1 by putting it all together and talking about the number of hours and dollar implications for your restoration project. Thanks for joining us. This is Classic Car Education. Now that we understand the conditions and what's condition number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, let's understand how many hours usually is needed to transition through the conditions to achieve condition number 1. Remember, this is just an estimate, and of course you can spend more hours than that depending on the car. But this is like an average for you to size your budget and understand what you're doing. So to turn a car condition number 2 to number 1, on average you're going to spend around 1,000 hours. Then from condition number 3 to number 1, probably 2,000. 4 to 1, 4,000. 5 to 1, 8,000. Usually a good and reputable restoration shop will charge you around $130, $140 an hour. So now you can make your calculation. This doesn't mean that it's prohibitive or you shouldn't do it. It's just an indication of how much money you can spend transitioning through the categories. We spoke about the Roadrunner, and the owner most likely will bring the car to a number 2. He will not spend 2,000 hours. He'll spend probably half than that or a third of it to bring to number 2 that is enjoyable, phenomenal car, nice looking, and still with a lower budget. Thank you for watching the first part of our videos, and to make sure that you're not choosing a lemon instead of a legacy. If you want to go deeper into the subject, please watch our next videos. We're going to talk about restoration, preservation, charter of terrain, and many other things that probably you don't know. Thank you. See you next time.